Guys, what's so nice about this bag, kasi may air, air release system. So, parang pina-vacuum pack ngayon. So, medyo dumami yung laman ng gamit ko dito. So, this is what I do. So, in-air release ko lang para mag-flatten. So, parang ka nagba-vacuum pack. Tapos, just slip there. Actually, this is a 50-liter bag. Dami pa pwede ilagay. Napuno ko to before. Tapos yung mga straps niya, abot-abot pa siya. So, very convenient for a ride. And what I like most about this bike, it's color. Actually, it serves as a reflector din sa bike mo. Lalo na yung naka-Vespa ako, maliit ang bike ko. So, gusto ko maging visible sa daan. And this helps me be seen. Kasi may mga reflectorize siya dyan. So, ayan. That easy lang. Oh. It's nice. All my stuff are here. And it has also a sling strap if you want to sling it up. So, ganda nito. So, this has different colors. Na pwede nyong pagpilian sa lubo. Okay. So, ito yung strap niya. You can put it here or kung gusto nyo, dito yan. So, pwede siyang ganito. Sling back. Or the other way around. Here. Ibang version naman. Pag ganyan. So this is a Lobo 50-liter bag. Sulit sa gamit. At for sure, magiging gamit na gamit sa inyo. That's another In The Rider Moto tip.